Welcome to our channel. Today we're drawing peas and cucumbers. Let's start with the peas top. Draw the lower part of the peas coat. Drawing the thickness. Inside is full flesh. Second grain. Third grain. This is the root. Now let's start drawing the cucumber. The flower of the cucumber. Drawing the rod of the cucumber. Drawing the canes and leaves. The cucumber is covered with thorns. Now the simple diagram is complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. Woo! That's great. Now for the color. Pink and green. Light green. Light yellow. Light yellow. Brown. Yellow. Brown. Green. Dark green. Okay, we're done. This is great. Thanks for watching. See you next time.